Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are making healthy mango and raspberry chia jam. So let's get started. We'll take 1.5 cup of fresh mango puree and bring it to boil on medium heat. To this we'll add 2 teaspoons of lemon juice and 1.5 tablespoons of chia seeds. Stir and cook for 2 minutes till the jam thickens. Now add half a teaspoon of crushed green cardamom seeds. Turn off the heat and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of pasteurized honey and stir well. Cool the jam and transfer it into a sterile jar and let it rest for a few hours. To make the raspberry jam, we will take 1.5 cup of fresh or frozen raspberries and bring it to boil on medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and 1.5 tablespoon of chia seeds. Stir well and cook on medium heat for a few minutes. Turn off the heat and add 3 to 4 tablespoons of pasteurized honey and stir well. To this add 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract and cool it down completely. Transfer it into sterile jars and refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours before serving. Serve it with toast, yogurt and granola or add it to smoothies. So if you have liked watching this video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.